Hi, I'm Adrian from Hawk Marine Products and welcome to our factory here on Hayling Island in the UK, where we make our entire range of Hawk apparent wind indicators. For those of you who don't know, the Hawk wind indicators are in three different sizes. We have the orange vane arm for the little Hawks, we have the medium sized vane arms for the Hawks, and for the bigger keel boats we have the Great Hawk. So one of the things we're proud of at Hawk is that we think we make the strongest, most robust and lightest wind indicators in their sector. All the support rods are made out of high quality anodised aluminium, and all of the vane arms are made out of super tough nylon 12, making them very light, very rigid, very tough, and with a great UV protection factor built in. The Hawk and the Great Hawk range also use a sapphire V-jewel bearing up inside the shaft, and the top of the needle has a highly ground stainless steel point, giving you almost no friction at all, allowing it to react to the slightest change in wind direction or speed. On top of that, the Hawk and the Great Hawk have a counterbalance weight inside, so you can set the Hawk or Great Hawk up and it will be exactly as you expect it to be, and it will not rotate because of the weight causing it to give you a misreading in your wind direction. So say all those factors we think make ours the strongest and lightest wind indicators in the market. So let me show you these all in a little bit more detail. The smallest one we do is the Little Hawk Mark I. Designed for lasers and toppers, where it slides down inside the sail tube, leaving it out the top to give you that beautiful apparent wind direction both upwind and downwind. This is one of our most popular wind indicators in the dinghy range. For those of you that need to screw it to the top of your mast, then we've now got the Little Hawk Race. The Little Hawk Race comes with a little mast clip which is easily screwed to your mast with two little self-tappers, and then you can plug and play every time you go out and take this down and store it in your boat when you're not sailing. And the last one in the Little Hawk range is the Little Hawk Mark II, probably the most popular wind indicator in the entire world, designed again for lasers, toppers or any single hander, where you can put this round the mast, secure it tightly, and there it's ready to go at the gooseneck, which is an ideal position for watching it upwind and also for downwind. Now we come on to the Hawk range. So if you see here, we have the Cat Hawk. This is designed to sit on the bridle of beach cats. Anything which hasn't got an asymmetric spinnaker on it sits out the front using a variety of different clips to screw it on to the bridle clip, and again utilising the Hawk on and off system for very quick on and off before and after you go sailing. Then we have the Hawk Race. This was designed for bigger single handers, so we're using the same idea as the Hawk Mark II but for bigger single handers. It's got the Hawk vane arm and it's got the slightly longer elastic for the bigger masts on your fin, on your solo or other single handers of that size. And then last in that range is the original Hawk. Now this is designed for big dinghies, wayfarers, ospreys, big two-handed dinghies or three-handed dinghies, small keel boats and sports boats. Again, using the Hawk clip system, self-tapping screw onto the top of the mast. The Hawk fits in and out nice and quickly every time the mast goes up and down, and it now has the reference arms to allow you to set them for upwind direction or even for downwind jibe angles. And then last in the range is the Great Hawk, designed for small keel boats up to very large cruisers of about 60 feet in length. The Great Hawk again offers the same balanced vane arm as the Hawk. It's got the reference arms as required, and then you can either use its own mounting system to mount it to the top or the side of your mast, or you can use the adapter as here to put it through the hole in the crane at the top of the mast. So that's the entire Hawk range. Thank you for watching the video, and please check back soon and look at the individual videos of each of our products in more detail. Good sailing.